wave.
Too late now.
It's going. This is it.
All right.
All right, this is what you've been waiting for.
You guys would.
Whoa!
Kind of anticlimactic, isn't it?
It kind of looks like fire over there.
Yeah, you got something still on fire.
Something didn't go off.
Well, don't go near it.
No, those are the mortar tubes. It's going.
Got any more?
Those are a little long.
I don't know if it's on fire or
I
if
think
it's
we made the fuse too long. The fuse is too long.
That was fun.
That was
Yeah. Oh, I like
That was
those
good.
ones that kind of spread out like a fan.
This is the best I've seen.
I don't think we shot them all.
I can just see it about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning, Dot.
There we go.
Oh, so nice. Still going.
Yeah, there's still fire down there.
No, there's 4 or 5 tubes right in a row. They're going to go 5 in a row. There'll be one. That was one.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Listen to that echo.
Yeah. Bouncing off the woods. Oh, that was a pretty one.
Yeah, it's nice.
All right, so we got a little